can we have Mr. Uday? I'm so sorry. I think we should have actually had everyone on stage. So can you all join? Samir, sir, can you join us too? So please, all the talent up on stage. Wait. You all have to stay back one second. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so we just have two of the winners right here with us. We have Nisa and we have Heat Singh. They are here. So can we have you on stage?
Nisa Shetty.
Okay, can we have Heat Singh? Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you. So they are unfortunately not here. Yeah, let's do this. So let's announce their name. I'm so sorry that we don't have Jonathan and Pelenio, and these guys are not here. So let's also have a huge round of applause for them. And Symmetry also is not here. So once again, let's have a huge round of applause for them too. Thank you so much. You guys are wonderful. We've seen the video. You guys are fantastic. Congratulations once again. Thank you so much, sir. You may be seated. So you'll have to step forward. Thank you so much. I'll have to call you all back again on stage because I'm going to request everyone to join us for a photo op. You know, obviously we need pictures and we need good pictures. Yeah, there's this podium. You know, unfortunately, Nikhil D'Souza is traveling, so he's not here. But Samir sir, can we have you on stage for the picture, please?
That's fine. I'll be seeing. Now, questions?
Yes.
Yes?
So, yes. For which? Thank you so much. So we're going to open the floor for question answers, for which I would request, of course, all of you, and also Mr. Himanshu to kindly step forward. Okay. DJ, can you have the mic from there, please?
My question is to Mr. Shashank. Will there be another edition of Nexa Lounge, Music Lounge? Will there be a second edition? Second edition.
Let me tell you why we are doing this in the first place. Because the brand Nexa, unlike other automobile brands, we want to position it as a brand for experiences. So as I showed in the presentation, it's about lifestyle, about fashion, about music, about travel. And we are associated with different activities for the other thing. For music, it's Nexa Music. And yes, definitely we will continue in a very big way. And it is not just about the rub-off of the brand values, which is inspiration and creation, but also it's our, we want to make the music of Indian talent global. We want to attract through this platform Indian talent, especially for English music. And that's what we are taking the help of QK for this. And we are so glad that they have, we have partnered with them. And we are doing very good progress in that direction.
Rahman sir, I would like to ask you a question. What factors made you say yes for this project?
This is every musician's dream. And if a corporate comes and does this kind of thing, it is progress. Because I've seen, I've gone to IIT when I was a roadie when I was 12, and people playing English music, and nobody ever knows them. They were all underground. And now this company has come so forward to take indie talents and singing English. And they're giving so much of nurturing and putting so much of money in. It's actually a boon. I thank you so much.
Thank you so much for your, Rahman Saab is very...
Yes? Yeah, please give it to Mike.
Mozart of music, and Chennai, I'm sure you know, has the world's greatest choirs, the Madras Music Association, for example. I don't know whether you've heard of them. They're going to perform in the Dubai Opera in March, the prestigious Dubai Opera. That's where they're going to perform. Have you considered collaborating with classical musicians?
Yeah, I have, of course. Because in film scoring, you tend to bring in a lot of classical music influences, whether it's Western or Indian. And that makes the score very, very rich. And so it demands that you learn a lot of classical music. I'm still learning. There's so much to learn in life. Especially music is a never-ending concept. And being simple yet complex underneath is the most important thing. And so I might be working with a world-class classical violinist, and we're trying to do an album. I'll reveal that later. So.
Good evening. Yeah, sure. Good evening. My name is Aishwarya, and I represent AFAX. My question is for Mr. Shashank. You're one of, I think, the only automobile brand in India that's tying up with lifestyle and experiences in such a way. And it's been a year, right, since the journey began. Can you tell me how the journey has been, and how has it been working with some of the best creative minds in India?
Yeah, it's been terrific. Actually, it's not just 1 year. We have been doing this for 4 years since we launched the Nexa. Commercially, if you really look at it, it's been great for us in terms of the volumes which we have done. Nexa doing 1 million in just about 48 months, which is the fastest ever in the Indian auto industry. So that's great for us. However, I think we would need to have a long-term association with these basic brand values. We want to build our brand equity through such association. I mentioned fashion. We do something in the fashion space also, travel, and of course music. So I think this is going to continue, and it's been a great, even as he just mentioned, Rahman Saab mentioned, it's also learning experience for us because it's something which we are trying for the first time. And it's so far worked very well for us, and we do hope to keep learning in our journey going forward.
Sure, all the best.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hi everyone, congratulations on the music. It sounds and looks great. Mr. Rahman, my question is for you. What was your idea behind creating You Got Me? Is it because social media has taken such a huge place in our lives? Is it there's negativity also with the positivity? Is that what the idea was behind it?
When I was hearing all these artists, they were much, much, much more intense and they were doing some amazing songs. So I didn't want to compete with them. So I wanted to take a very generic route where it's just feel good dance song. And then this hook came in, You Got Me, I don't know. And then Nirmika just beautifully penned the song and you got it. I wanted very simple and enjoyable songs. Thank you. A lot of Shakira. That's good.
Mr. Rahman, hi. This is Shweta from Filmy Beat. I want to know this English, first of all, excellent music, all of it. So is it just going to be limited to Indian artists singing originally in English, or are you going to be open to getting international artists, also? Any country?
No, this is mainly Indian artists because English Indian artists don't get an opportunity. They're all underground. And
Right.
some of them are coming up, which is great. There's nothing wrong in regional language because we all love them.
Right.
But some of the expression in the English language is more simpler and more universal. So if you look at Korea, BTS performed in the
Correct.
Grammys.
They're the biggest.
Yeah, all that stuff
brand.
happened. So we're not that far, and
Okay.
it's so important that it's not just about a song. Music is about marketing the best music, best talent, best like fashion. They said it's a whole collective effort. I feel, and if we get that, we can go.
So I think we're aiming for the Grammys and all that.
Beyond the
Oh.
Grammys, actually,
Yeah.
because Grammy is just like the roof. We have to aim at the sky. We have to aim at.
Wow. Thank you. All the best.
Hi, Aishwarya. My question is for Mr. Sameer. So, as Kyuki is a digital media agency that specializes in interactive creatives, can you tell me the scope for that in the upcoming decade, since we are newly entering this decade?
Yeah, I mean, social media in general and the digital space is all about collaboration. So this fits, it's a sweet spot for us. I want to point out that, someone asked the question about how Nexa has been supporting properties in the lifestyle space, IFA, Lakme Fashion Week, etc. You'll find that there's a consistency with this brand supporting this field. And when we go out and reach out to agencies and when we talk to brands, oftentimes we find that people approach it with a start and stop and not with a long-term view, and it tends not to work when you don't do it. So a sprint versus a marathon approach. And I think the marathon approach that they take is truly, it's credible, it's commendable. So thank you again for taking that approach. And so it was I'm glad to that we also share it publicly, that we certainly will look to extend this association. And the ability, I think, to give a free hand to create ground up. So the artists were really, collaboration means different things. It's not just putting two people together. It seems on the outside it's a collaboration. But, to throw them into the studio with Mr. Clinton Sarayo, because he's one of the most prolific producers, and, he would have put them through the grind and taken them up 100 notches from what they were before coming in there. So still allowing their own individual creativity. So that part of collaboration is often left out, where you just, for projects like this, you put two people together, but then you dictate versus allowing them to sort of bubble up their own creativity. So this is all about that, and we're glad it's coming out so beautifully.
Sure. All the best.
You can never do this single-handedly. You need a company like Yuki, and you need people like Clinton, Bianca. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hi, Komal this side. So my question is to Mr. Sameer. So what role did Kyunki play in mentoring these top 24 talents?
Yeah, good question. The obvious answer to that is that with folks like Mr. Rahman, Clinton, and also the other headline artists, our role was more to put this together versus actually come into the mentorship part of it. So when we spoke to the Nexa management, the senior management, the idea resonated really well. You've probably heard Mr. Rahman talk about getting Indian artists to reach out to the global scale. You know, there's K-pop, why isn't there I-pop or Indian pop outside? And it's beyond just Bollywood. Of course, Bollywood has made its dent in the international market. I think there's more for India to offer. Some of you may also be aware of the Sunshine Orchestra that he's been supporting in Chennai. It's basically children from lower income families, you know, dhobis kids and people who work as maids in houses. Their kids are learning Western classical instruments. So the other question about, you know, collaborating with Western classical goes much, much deeper. The school KMMC teaches Western classical to kids over here. So there's a lot that is going on in that Western classical space. And so just in terms of Western music, I think there's been a belief that India has 100x more to offer. And so that's the genesis of, so when this opportunity came up, but you don't have too many backers of this. So it was a great opportunity. It didn't take too much to convince him. It was 2 conversations and you know, he was on board.
Okay, thank you.
Hi guys, this is Priyanka here again from Social Catch-Up. Mr. Shashank, my question is for you. You know, you guys have already been in the lifestyle space, now music. What else can we expect from Nexa?
We have focused on these 3 aspects. He mentioned like lifestyle, fashion. We are associated with Lakme Fashion Week, with IFA as well, and music, Nexa Music.
Can I ask a question?
Yeah,
Is there
yeah.
any
Oh,
electric...
everybody's asking questions, so please.
Is there an electric car coming in?
Yeah?
Electric car.
I think I saw Swati and other I thought Nandana was also there. They will be asking these tough questions. So yes, EVs will come at some stage, definitely.
Okay, I think we're done. Thank you so much. Any more questions? No, I think we're good. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you very
Thank
much.
you.